Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Twitter or X display name. So the first step you simply need to do is to open X application. So open X application. Once you open, click on your profile picture on the top left. Click on your profile picture. So once you are here, you simply need to click on edit profile. Click on your name. So let me change that. Okay, and click on save. So now you can see that there is a verification that you are doing that, and then you need to click on authenticate. Once you done that, your name will be changed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.